Hello everyone! Imagine you are learning a new language. You are excited, but soon you realize there are just so many words. You try memorizing them, but they slip away like sand through your fingers. Now imagine there was a fun and engaging way to retain them, not just for a day, but for a lifetime. Today, I want to introduce you to a simple yet powerful tool, the spelling bee game.
M-E-E-R. Okay, could you please write down on the blackboard? So, where is it, John? Мелкий. Oh, so, please.
How I use spelling bee in class. At first preparation, I select words based on the student's level. My students are beginners. Next step, warm up. We review pronunciation, meaning, and sentence usage.
How to pronounce
Then starts screen time. Students spell words in turns or individually. Then I can add time limits or bonus round for excitement. Next step is reinforcement. We correct mistakes, write down words, and use them in stories to strengthen retention. Learning should be fun. Spelling bee transforms vocabulary drills into an adventure, making language learning enjoyable and effective. Let's bring play into the classroom. Because when learning is fun, it lasts for a lifetime.